This is a step-by-step instruction video for performing an annual service on the Genmark Undermount 5. All necessary parts can be purchased through our service department. Always mention the unit serial number. Let's begin. Start the unit and let it run for 5 minutes. Check if any warning and/or errors occur. Attention! Before maintenance or cleaning is done, the generator set has to be turned off. Remove or open covers only for maintenance purposes and close or reinstall them immediately after maintenance cleaning is done. Do not carry out maintenance while the engine is running. Disconnect the battery negative terminal before carrying out maintenance. Exhaust pipe could be extremely hot. Check engine coolant and refill if needed. Change coolant after a maximum of 5 years. Check and clean radiator fins with pressured air. Replace the water pump V-belt by loosening the bolts on the 12-volt alternator. Tighten the belt in a way that it is possible to turn the V-belt a quarter. Check the condition of the battery with a battery tester. Clean and coat terminals with terminal sealant. Check for loose electrical connections, frayed cables and cracked insulation. Check and clean air vents. Check terminals for tightness and check under cap for cleanliness. Drain and refill engine oil. The engine holds approximately 13 litres of oil. Replace engine oil filter. Coat the O-ring with a little bit of oil before replacing the filter. Replace fuel filter. Check and clean fuel filter and water separator if necessary. Check fuel system, cooling system hose for leaks. Change both hoses during the second yearly maintenance. Air filter must be checked and cleaned with air pressure after 500 hours. The filter must be replaced for a new one after 1000 hours of operating. Replace air filter element. Check air cleaner and hose for leaks. Check exhaust system for leaks or other damage. Caution, it could be extremely hot. Check engine, generator shock mounts for cracks, cuts, abrasions or flaring. Check and tighten as required all hardware, brackets, etc. Tighten engine and generator mounting bolts. Use Loctite if necessary. Overall visual check for damage, for example, corroded parts or impact damage. Check and clean fan with pressured air. Turn on the unit with a load if possible and scrolling through the menu of the controller. Output voltage should be between 390 and 410 volts. Hertz should be between 50 and 52. RPM should be between 1520 and 1540. Increase the engine speed if necessary. Please note, the engine speed on Stage 5 engines cannot be altered. Replace all covers when service and testing is done. The service warning that appears on the controller can be reset in the settings menu. For instructions, see Genmark Service Manual. See Mounting Manual for further information on how to remount the Genmark Undermount Stage 5. For any other questions, please contact Genmark.